flowers, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually not going to talk all the way through this video. I just wanted to come and just say a little bit of hey. You already know. So this is my first time doing someone else's nails. I'm really excited about this. This is my friend Muffy's hand. She is my model for today. She actually has her own YouTube channel that she just started, so I'll leave that in the description box below. She's going to be doing a lot of girl talk, a lot of rants, a lot of that kind of stuff, more like a podcast style. So if that's something that you would like, make sure you check her out. She'll be down in the description box. Now, one thing I do want to say is, after like looking at the footage and everything like that, I do want to fix the way that I film other people's nails because my camera was kind of in the way. So I am going to do more of the like bird's eye view, like when I do mine. So there might be some parts that you don't see that well, or some parts that you see better than others, but this is my first time. I'm still learning. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you're notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Join that flower gang, sis. Okay, I'll be quiet. Just enjoy me slaying these nails because I did that.
Playing on the track. Playing on the track. S bling on the track.